Attention all the student of 6th semester for the subject IMT. Today I am taking the last topic, hotline maintenance. Hotline maintenance means it is only done for lines which are 132 kV and above. Means hotline maintenance carried out normally for 132 kV line, 220 kV line and 400 kV line. So in the need of the activities for hotline maintenance, what are the activities to be performed for hotline maintenance in order to repair or maintain conductors, insulator, structural parts, etc. without making the line in dead condition, means without taking shutdown on the line. It is called hotline maintenance. The activities in the live line maintenance or hotline maintenance are as follows: repair of conductor of overhead line or overhead bus bar, overhead earthing wire while the circuit is live, means in on condition. Inspection from close distance from the circuit which is live. Then inspection or replacement of insulator with circuit live, and live the washing of insulator. Many times on the line insulator dust are deposited, that will cause sometimes flashover of the insulator. So washing of insulator is also one of the practice for hotline maintenance. Now live line maintenance or hotline maintenance is necessary when the substation cannot be de-energized for maintenance or repair works, as the continuity of supply through the same is essential. Normally when we take maintenance of the LT line, then that will affect the small area and does not affect the total city or total load center. But whenever we switch off or take shutdown on 132 line, 132 kV line, 220 kV line, 400 kV line, then total load center will be affected. And this have one disadvantage, that the revenue of the electric supply agency will also decrease in that period because power is off. So for looking to all these practical problems, the hotline maintenance is necessary nowadays, and for all EHT lines, extra high tension line, the hotline maintenance practice is carried out. Now here normally hotline maintenance is not recommended, and maintenance is carried out with circuit dead and earth. Normally means in सामान्य condition में, normal conditions में, we never recommend for hotline maintenance. Hotline maintenance is only done when there is a critical fault occur on the transmission line, or there is a important type of maintenance to be done on the bus bars or incoming bus bar, outgoing bus bar, and yard equipment like switchgear, CTPT, OCB, circuit breakers and bus bar material. So if this type of problem come, then we have to maintain the system in on conditions. So for maintenance of hotline, definitely there are some tools are required, and these tools are required, they are essential for hotline maintenance. So for tool requirement of hotline maintenance, there is a ladder that requires insulated ladder which is mounted on a trolley. That trolley mounted ladder, it is first requirement of the hotline maintenance equipment. Insulating ladder usually made of laminated epoxy resin, bonded wood section or fiberglass resin, insulated section then insulator tongs are there, then clip-on instrument. Clip-on instrument are those which are replace the different type of insulators on the line. If suppose there is any insulator damage or due to flashover, it has been cracked, so between the string of insulator we have to first identify the insulator which is to be replaced. So use of binocular is also essential in hotline maintenance. Then other equipment required is rods for installing earth connectivity clamps. Earth connectivity clamps, sometimes earth wire may broken due to lightning stroke. So we have to again repair the earth wire to join in proper position. So for this we required a rod of installing earth connection clamps. Okay, then third one is Skylift, that is platform and cage which can be raised, lowered, rotated, held in position from ground control. So this is a particular type of vane which is mounted with the escalator, which is movable in 4 directions, so that person can climb on it and reach up to the tower height. And at tower height, whatever conditions are there at the tower height, which is component to repair, he will take that instrument and then repair in the hotline condition. Then telescopic instrument, as I have told you, binocular, that is telescopic instrument. From the ground level, we watch with the help of telescopic equipment the problem in the line, whether insulator is burned, insulator has been flashover, or insulator has been cracked, mid-span joint become loose, or any type of hardware materials which are become loose due to heating and vibrations of the conductor. So these things are first observed from the ground level. If you find the location of the fault or the repair point, then you can reach with the help of this trolley mounted escalator and reach up to that position with all the necessary equipment. So here insulated tools for repairs are required, in with a insulator replacing stick is there. This consists of bakelite material or high epoxy resin. So with the help of that, the clamping is there. With the help of that, first the insulator is hang on the clamping, and after that it is replaced the insulator which is damaged, and new insulator placed on the place of that damaged insulator. So these insulating tools for repairs, they are required. A number of tools are there. Mainly tools which is used, that is insulator replacer, which is consists of bakelite and epoxy resin material. They are having very high dielectric strength, so the voltage does not affect the person who is working. So persons who is working for hotline maintenance, he should wear the hand gloves. Hand gloves of high dielectric strength material, so there is no problem to his body. And there is a protective kit is there which is to be wear by the hotline maintenance person, just like kit which you are seeing in the case of this corona time, the medical peoples are using. But that kit is a samanya kit, a general kit. It is made up of some cloth or some plastic material. But the kit wear by the hotline maintenance people, it is highly dielectric strength material. Its value of thermal resistivity is also high, and the value of dielectric strength. It is the main criteria for that kit. Then insulating gloves, as I have shows, shoes and mats, supports, these are required by the people who are maintaining the hotline. Then temporary guards required, that this type of things, that is a rope you required for hanging of the person on some people's on the line with the help of cross arm, and that can be easily done with the help of a lift. लिफ्टी बोलते हैं उसको जनरली इनकी भाषा में. So that lifty is there which raise the component part required to repair the hotline spots. Other than this temporary guards, then special trays with embedded for wire mesh which can be earthed to the cage. Means whatever I have got told about kit of wearing kit for maintenance, it should be properly grounded. If suppose some induction charge come on this kit, then it is immediately grounded with the help of earthing cage. So this is the hotline maintenance equipment which are used for hotline. So whatever necessity of hotline maintenance, it is only under the case of abnormal condition of the system, then this is necessary to go for hotline maintenance. So in this particular chapter only this much is given, that what is hotline maintenance, and write down the tools required for hotline maintenance. So I have defined the hotline maintenance, what is the hotline maintenance, and what are the tools required, and what type of activities to be performed on hotline maintenance. So this is very simple way to give the hotline maintenance work with the help of the trained staff, and they are having different type of protection arrangement for themselves. Now here they have given some limit of microampere or milliampere current, that is if pass through the body of the person, then what type of effect it is obtained. Suppose 10 milliampere to 15 milliampere current is passed through the body, so it will give the painful shock, and muscles still in control. Then if 15 to 20 milliampere current pass through the body, then muscle control is affected. So this is slightly dangerous. Then 50 milliampere to 40 milliampere current is passed through the body, muscle contraction take place, and breathing effect is there. Means breathing problem is arise. And if 40 to 80 milliampere current pass through the body, then rapid uncoordinated series of contraction of heart muscle causing the irregular heartbeat, and this will possible fatal means death may occur. So this is the range of current which can affect the human body when he is working on hotline system. Then above 100 milliampere current, severe burns of the muscular characteristics and stoppage of the heart, मतलब death is confirmed in that case. 100 milliampere से अगर ज़्यादा करंट बॉडी से पास होगा तो हार्ट विल stop and burn will takes place on the body. So these are the measures which are practically obtained by the performance of this type of data on the system. So we should calculate the body resistance of the persons who is working on the system. We measure the body resistance, and on which voltage he is working, it is important. So we should find out the limit of current in the sequence which I have given just now. So hotline maintenance all the activities done in the on condition of the line. And hotline maintenance carried out for 132 kV, 220 kV and 400 kV lines. And whatever type of precaution to be taken, it is I have given what is type of instrument or equipment required for hotline maintenance, which I have given to you, and what is the definition of hotline maintenance given to you. So this particular topic end, and in this way the topic of IMT completes. Today the course of IMT is completed. Nothing is remaining there. I have completed all the chapters, and today this was the last chapter, so I have completed this also. If you have any question regarding the any topic which I have taught you on this particular video lectures, so you may ask on my WhatsApp number. So this is all for today, and this completes your course of the IMT, that is installation, maintenance and testing. One question is always there asked for hotline maintenance. It is confirmed. Define hotline maintenance and write down the list of the tools required for hotline maintenance. This particular question always asked in the examination. So you carefully watch this particular video lecture and make the notes whatever I have given you, and prepare the notes for the answer of that question. So this is all for today. For forthcoming examination, I wish you all best luck to all students, and do your study. I have also yesterday uploaded the about 17 to 19 questions on ECM and IMT. So these questions will be, you prepare the notes on the basis of this question, and most of your examination question will come from these questions. So it is also take you part in select any 5 questions for progressive test number 1 and 2. From your own choice you take 2 progressive test material from selected from these 19 questions. 5 questions for first progressive test. I don't remember whether I have given you first progressive test question or not. If it is not given, then you find out the question, any 5 question you take from this list of question I have given for your assignment. So 5 question you select for first progressive, and 5 question you select for second progressive, and separately submit it these questions are progressive according to the timetable given for progressive test. So this is all for today, and I wish you best luck for your exam. And if any questions you want to ask from me, then my WhatsApp number is already with you, so you can ask the question. Difficulties, whatever difficulty is there. So in IMT subject, it is seen that all the topics are very easy topic. Easy topic means in which no special things is required. Normally whatever we are doing or whatever we are watching in the electrical system in working condition, start from your HT line to HT line and LT lines, maintenance and their repair. This type of questions given, this type of course given in the topics of the this particular IMT subject. So IMT subject is a very easy subject compared to all other subjects in electrical engineering, because many things we are daily observing when people are working on electrical system, either in industry or in the distribution system of the line and substation. We are watching these people normally time to time. So many concept in our mind, it is already clear that how earth resistance is measured, how Beggar is used for finding out insulation resistance of the winding. So these all things you normally see in your day-to-day life. So there is no big problem in studying this particular subject and prepare all the answers of the questions which are given in your assignment. So this is a final assignment in which I taken all the topics I covered, and you have to answer this question and 5 questions each for progressive test 1 and 2. 5 questions you select from this assignment and submit according to timetable which will be given to you on your WhatsApp number. So thank you for all this session, and you prepare good. I wish again best of luck to you. Thank you for today.